So when you want to make a door that's really wide and you don't want to have sagging hinges and you don't want to have to worry about when you put different hinges on, you want to make sure your door is straight, it doesn't sag, one hinge doesn't bind or anything like that. One continuous hinge going all the way from the top to the bottom. If you could see that really carefully, all the way to the top. And as you can see, it's quite supported. Got a frame around it. It's so much easier and faster to put on one of these hinges. So as you see, it's thick as hell. Definitely a thick hinge. There's absolutely no sag. You will not have to worry about your door sagging or becoming misaligned or anything like that. It will stay. Best answer to aligning hinges: no alignment, because it's always perfect every time.